And you know, the makeup is really cute with the ponytail. Y'all, I can't get over like how the wig looks, because you know, I wore this wig before when I was Carrie, and you know, it makes it look new every time. And this time I actually cut some official bangs and whatnot. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So stay tuned and you know, hit that subscribe button. Okay, babes, this is the costume look for Icky Vicky. And yes, my nails are done, y'all. And this is my first time, you know, getting the lipstick shade. You know, my little sis Zariah did them. Shout out to my little sis. And I got like little spider webs on it. You know, the good, cute orange and black or whatever. But y'all, this is a simple green long sleeve that I'm actually wearing to be Icky Vicky with some regular black tights, as you can tell. And then all I'm gonna wear is just, you know, these platform like Converse Chucks that, you know, my little sis actually got me for my birthday about like a couple years ago. I can't remember exactly, but it's really just something simple. I'm not even really, you know, wearing any accessories or anything like that. This is really going to be like something simple and cute. You know, Icky Vicky is really just simple and fun, and I just really can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. I really just chose to get a long sleeve because I was expecting it to be a little bit more cold this October, but it's actually raining somewhat today, so yeah. You can see I got my bangs already cut to be Miss Icky Vicky, and you know, hair a little straightened already, and I really don't have on any special pajamas besides like a little slip and whatnot. That's what I slept in, and I normally sleep in slips. I call them slips, you know, nightgowns, whatever, all the time actually. But I'm really excited to do this look. I really came up with this look like I don't know when actually. I was just watching the Fairly Odd Parents, and I was like, you know what? Me and Icky Vicky have a lot of similarities. So I was just like, you know what? Why don't I just go ahead and be her? I really say that because, you know, around the time when I discovered I wanted to be Icky Vicky, I was actually babysitting my niece and baby cousins like the whole summer. And I was actually earning money for it. And I was actually having a good time, you know, bonding with my nieces and baby cousins. And I was just like, you know what? Me and her have a lot of similarities. And I was watching like the series on Netflix with my baby cousin, which is so funny, actually. I also hope you babes are, you know, doing good and staying inspired. And I am just drinking, you know, regular wine today in my classy cup. I am really chilling, y'all. I'm really trying to find a chill state, you know. I'm like so ready for 2024, and I am praying that it brings me good times, okay? Because 2023 was straight trash. Who can relate? Yeah, as I'm doing my eyebrows, I see I have like a little pimple right here, like in the middle of my forehead, which sucks. But hey, like I always gotta find a pimple somewhere. Y'all, like I said in a million times, I'm so like excited for this look. Like every time I do a Halloween look, it is always like a backstory to the Halloween look, to be exact. Like it's always something that's like related to my life somewhat. In some, you know, in some kind of form or way. That's how I like come up with Halloween looks and do things. And y'all, I'm like so glad that I have not broken a nail yet. You know, I work as a cleaning, you know, a cleaner in sanitation or whatever. And y'all, I've been having to be like extra careful with these nails because they like somewhat long, but I really like love them. I keep doing this for like some reason, y'all. I don't know why. Babes, babes. I think I am going to actually wear mascara. I just said mascara. Eyeshadow with this look. Eyeshadow with this look because I can't remember if she had on a purple eyeshadow or not. But I kind of want to add like a cartoony look to it. So I'm thinking, you know, some purple eyeshadow. I really wish, you know, I had some tracks to like make this ponytail. I haven't did my high ponytail like how I'm gonna do my ponytail or my bangs. I haven't did any of this area yet, but you know, I wish I had more of, you know, tracks that was this color of hair to, you know, wrap around the ponytail to make it more, you know, thick and fluffy and give it that more cartoonish look or whatever. So I actually take that back. I'm gonna just do a basic makeup look because I thought Icky Vicky did have on, you know, purple eyeshadow. I don't know what character that was I seen, but I'm gonna just do a basic makeup look and, you know, make it a little bit dramatic and, you know, give myself evil eyebrows. Eyeliner. Even though Icky Vicky did not have any eyeshadow, she did have blush and little, you know, little pink lipstick on or whatever. And this is not a makeup tutorial. Once again, I am just like doing a get ready with me with my beautiful costume looks that I had in mind for this beautiful spooky year. If you want to check out a makeup tutorial vlog of just basic makeup and how to put it on, I do have a vlog of that. Like, if you want to check it out, check in my video. I don't know. Check in my video catalogs, and you will see my makeup area, and you know, click on that vlog, and you can view it. And these are the lashes that I will be putting on. They're a little bit dramatic. So I got my lashes on, a little dramatic. And of course, I'm going to do some bottom lashes. And babes, please don't forget to press that like button. It really helps me and my channel out. I see a lot of y'all view and, you know, whatnot. And it really helps my channel out to get put out and be pushed out with other vlogs. If you, like, press that like button, babes. Like, especially if you love your girl, want to show your girl some love. Because, like, I love you, babes, too. I totally ate, like, no breakfast. And I cannot wait to eat, you know, something after I do this look. Nose ring. Banana powder time, and I have on all black. This banana powder always gets everywhere, everywhere, literally. But you know, you just wash your clothes and it's like poof gone. That's the good part. It don't stain, you know. Almost, you know, forgot to put some on my forehead. And babes, like I have a one more look after this look. You know, this is my second freaking look. I really am thinking about going to a Halloween party for my third look. You know, because my third look is actually going to be exciting and like actually fun, sexy, and cute. So stay tuned. I freaking hate the banana powder step because it gets literally everywhere. Like it's literally everywhere. On my black dress, black slip, whatever, gown. I'm gonna try to add as much blush as possible to, you know, make it look very cartoonish and, you know, really cute. Can't wait to like really style my hair, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna do this ponytail and bangs, but we just have to see how I'm gonna do this ponytail and bangs. I like literally just cut my bangs, like chop them off, literally. Last step is my lips. I really love to wear the lip liner and lip gloss. You know what I'm saying? Babes, I honestly don't know why my mic wanted to cut out, but all I did was just glue the back of my lace front and it came out so nice and neat. And I just went in, straightened the bangs and whatnot. Okay, babes, this is the actual look, y'all. I'm like really having fun with this. Like the ponytail came out so slick and like really cute. And y'all, excuse the mic, but look. I got the fitted top, something simple, long sleeve and cute with my belly ring showing with the tights. And, the makeup is really cute with the ponytail. Y'all, I can't get over, like, how the wig looks because, I wore this wig before when I was Carrie. And, it makes it look new every time. And this time, I actually cut some official bangs and whatnot. And, like, I'm really digging it. It's all, like, movable and cute. And it's really just a cute basic look. And, it's very exciting. I really loved how it really turned out. You know what I'm saying? I really feel like Icky Vicky, the evil babysitter, like in my teenage years right now, which is so funny. Like everything came out so cute. The bangs are like bumpy and curly, exactly how I wanted them. I don't even know what to say. Also, I want to show y'all my shoes. Wait. These are the shoes and how cute they actually look with this outfit. I kind of like remixed the strings, made them a little loose and whatnot. But y'all, this is the official look. I wanted to show y'all another look of how it looks on me, full body. Like, it is so cute. The crop top with the checks. And, I gained a little weight, so I'm looking good. I'm saying? A little thicky, yeah. Icky Vicky, yeah. I am actually starving, so like I'm gonna go, gonna go get something to eat. Actually, like I don't know where I'm gonna get something to eat at, but y'all, this outfit, I don't even know what to say. I didn't even know how it was exactly gonna turn out, but it's better, than what I thought. It's like really, really cute and fun. I feel like Icky Vicky is making me want to watch episode of the Fairly Odd Parents and whatnot. I know the Icky Vicky special is pretty funny. I think that's like a lot of episodes, all together. I seen it on YouTube for like an hour and whatnot, and I'm just gonna enjoy myself and relax, and chill out on this beautiful day. Actually, I hope you guys are having a good month of October, a good, beautiful, spooky month of October, and I really love you, babes. Don't forget to, make sure y'all press that like button, show your girl some love because your girl worked hard on these looks, what I'm saying? And I have so much fun as well. And I would love for my, videos to get put out there and, be pushed more and whatnot. But, I really hope you babes enjoyed this look. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah! And happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, babes.